It is always best to extract the juice of small-sized onions at home to ensure that to get the direct benefit of onions without any added chemicals. Red onion oil can be used to treat baldness, boost hair growth, and prevent hair fall. How to use red onion oil on your scalp to treat baldness. Use few drops of oil in your palm and massage it into scalp for good 15 to 20 minutes. Let the oil sit in your hair for a few hours and then rinse it off with natural shampoo. Repeat the process every 2 days to enjoy the quick benefit. How to use red onion oil to boost hair growth and prevent hair fall. Onion oil can be mixed with any of your favorite carrier oil, like raw coconut oil, to enjoy its double benefits. You can warm onion oil mixed with coconut oil and massage it all over your scalp and length. Keep it overnight and then rinse it well with organic shampoo. It will condition your hair, prevent hair fall, make your hair stronger, and also will boost hair regrowth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.